I'm trying to wire a Dayton electric motor 3/4 of a horsepower general purpose. What does ungrounded side of line mean? There is a blue, brown, red, orange, white, yellow, and black wire on the motor. This is a 115 208 to 230 motor, and I am wiring it for 115 volts.
Do you have a multimeter or voltage tester? What colors are the wires?
Yes, I have a multimeter. The wires on the motor are blue, brown, red, orange, white, yellow, black.
What have you tried so far with your Dayton wiring?
I tried for the motor connection diagram on the front of the motor, but that did not work. What does ungrounded side of line mean?
Anything else we should know to help you best?
The motor diagram shows one 15-volt line to blue on ungrounded side, then the other side shows white, yellow, black. Then it says to insulate brown, red, and orange.
Hello, the ungrounded side means the hot side. So the neutral would be considered the grounded side of the line in a 115-volt service. So your hot would go to blue, neutral, or white to motor white plus motor yellow plus motor black. Then motor brown plus motor red plus motor orange all connected together.
Cool, that's what I did, and when I applied power the breaker blew.
You're sure it is 115 volts you have supplied to the motor?
It's on the same outlet I've had a fan running on.
Okay, do you have a multimeter?
Should I check the voltage on the outlet? If I reply to you on my phone, can I text a picture to you?
Yes, go ahead, but after that I was thinking move to ohms and check the motor for a short by checking between all the prongs of the cord/plug you are using to power the motor. You can open this page on the mobile site and upload picture directly here from your device.
Okay, let me try. Customer attachment May 30th, 2020, 12:10 a.m.
Got it. Check to see if that connector has over-tightened and crushed the wires to short them out.
Customer attachment May 30th, 2020, 12:15 a.m. Checking. The wire are fine.
What did you do to check? Can you send a pic of the cable out of the clamp?
Customer attachment May 30th, 2020, 12:18 a.m. No continuity between wires?
Okay, cap the ends of the wires and plug it in just to verify if doesn't trip.
Okay. It did not trip.
Okay. Set your meter to ohms and check all motor wires to the green ground screw, but screw it in and make sure it's tight to get a good connection to the motor frame.
No reading on any off them.
Okay, I'd feel better if you cut the sheath back on that supply line beyond the dent so we can see the wires underneath that spot. Then if it looks good we can hook it up again and try it. Some shorts only show up with a load applied and can't be read with a standard ohm meter function and need a meg ohm meter to find them.
I'll just replace that cable, give me 10 minutes. Customer attachment May 30th, 2020, 12:50 a.m. Almost done. Customer attachment May 30th, 2020, 12:50 a.m.
Okay.
Customer attachment May 30th, 2020, 12:59 a.m. Wiring the switch right now. Customer attachment May 30th, 2020, 1:04 a.m. Do those look correct? Are you still there?
Yes, sorry didn't get the notification. They look good.
Okay, I'll plug it in and hope for the best, lol.
Okay.
Must have been my wiring. It works great. Thank you for the help, big time.
Glad to help. Just a side note about your switch. Switches that operate motors must have a horsepower rating, HP, to withstand the arcing from disconnecting the motor load. Look at your switch, and if it doesn't have a HP rating equal to or greater than the motor, find a replacement switch that does.
Will do, man. It is a 3/4 motor and a 3/4 switch. I'll give you 5 stars. You are big help. Thank you again.
Okay, just making sure. Have a good evening.
You too, thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.